Dear students, in the last video, we have discussed two problems from redemption of preference shares. In this class, we will discuss balance sheet problem. Let me analyze the balance sheet. Following is the summarized balance sheet of Hindustan Company Limited. Company name is Hindustan. They have given liabilities, rupees, assets, rupees. In the assets, fixed asset, current asset. Redeemable preference shares of rupees 100 each, equity shares of rupees 100 each, reserve fund, securities premium, current liabilities. Now coming to adjustment, the preference shares were redeemed on 1/4/2015 at a premium of rupees 10 per share. It means the Hindustan company have to make repayment for the redeemable preference shares along with the principal amount. They have to make repayment at a premium of 10 per share. It means 10 per share is equal to 10%. Here is 1,20,000. If they make premium at 10%, 1,20,000 into 10% equals to 12,000. 12,000 plus 1,20,000, 1,32,000. Totally they have to make payment. For whom? For the preference shareholders, for the redeemable preference shareholders. Totally the company have to make payment is 1,32,000. So let's see how they will make payment 1,32,000. In the next sentence they were saying, for the purpose of financing the redemption partly, 6,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each were issued at premium of 10%. It means to finance for the redeemable preference shareholders, the company have issued new equity shares, that is 6,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. 6,000 into 10, 60,000. So 60,000 the company is making payment in the form of equity to the redeemable preference shareholders. So 1,32,000 minus 60,000 is 72,000. So let's see how they will make payment. 72,000. And further, they were issued at premium of 10%. And these shares were fully subscribed and paid for. It means totally they have issued, whatever they have issued, it is been fully subscribed by the equity shareholders. So 60,000 they were making payment in terms of equity. Remaining, if they want to make payment, they can utilize reserve fund. For reserve fund, they were utilizing 60,000. So 60,000 plus 60,000, 1,20,000. This 12,000 premium. They were making 12,000 in terms of premium. So 60 plus 60 plus 12, total is 1,32,000. Finally, they have to make payment. For that, they were utilizing equity shares, they were utilizing reserve fund, they were utilizing premium. Now we will solve the general entries. The preference shares were redeemed on 1/4/2015 at a premium of rupees 10 per share. If the preference shares being redeemed at premium, we need to pass two general entries. The first general entry is 9% redeemable preference share capital account debit, that is 1,20,000 debit. For that they were making premium 10%, premium on redemption of preference shares account debit 12,000, 1,20,000 into 10%, 12,000. Credit to redeemable preference shareholders account. Total 1,20,000 plus 12,000, 1,32,000. Narration: being redeemable preference share capital and premium transferred to redeemable preference shareholder account. As I said, when preference shares were redeemed at premium, we need to pass two entries. The next entry will be securities premium account debit 12,000 to premium on redemption of preference shares credit 12,000. This amount. Narration: being premium on redemption of preference shares provided. Next, for the purpose of financing the redemption partly, 6,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each were issued. To finance, the company is saying to finance for the redeemable preference share holders, they were making payment in terms of equity shares along with premium. So here the company is issuing fresh issue of shares. If fresh issue of shares made at premium, the journal entry will be equity share capital account credit. Total is 60,000. 6,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, 60,000. For that they were making premium, that is 10%, to securities premium account credit 60,000 into 10%, 6,000. Bank account debit, total 60,000 plus 6,000, 66,000. Narration: being fresh issue of equity shares at a premium of 10%. So see here, total they have to make payment is 1,32,000. They make payment 60,000 in the form of equity and they make payment 12,000 in the form of premium. So still they need 60,000. This is hidden information. Reserve fund they have not given in the question, they have not given in the adjustment, but we need to make, if the company is not having sufficient equity, that time they can use reserve fund to make payment. So here the entry will be reserve fund account debit. How much they have utilized from reserve fund? In the balance sheet we have sufficient, that is 9 lakh. Out of 9 lakh we have used only 60,000. Why? Because we need only 60,000. Reserve fund account debit 60,000 to capital redemption reserve account 60,000 credit. Narration: being redemption out of reserve fund transfer to CRR, capital redemption reserve. Last entry, this entry is for to make final payment. The last entry is for to make final payment. How much we need to make payment finally? That is 1,32,000 totally we need to make payment. For final payment, the journal entry is redeemable preference shareholder account debit 1,32,000 to bank account 1,32,000 credit. Narration: being amount due to redeemable preference shareholders paid. Here I have given one more question to solve from your side. Students, you try it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.